Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get back your Epic Games account if someone changed your password. Alright, let's begin. If your Epic Games account is hacked, start by logging into another account. You can use a friend's account or create a new one. Once logged in, go to store.epicgames.com. On the top right corner, click the Support button. You'll be taken to the support page. Select the Accounts category. On the next screen, scroll down. If you don't find anything specific to hacked accounts, scroll back up and use the search bar to type hacked. Then scroll to the bottom and click on Contact Us. This will take you to a form page. Here, fill out the following. Under Platform, select your gaming platform. For product, choose Accounts. For contact reason, select Epic Account. Now write your message to the Epic Games support team. Say something like, "Hello, Epic Games team. My Epic Games account was hacked. Please help me recover it. Here are the details." Then add the email address linked to your hacked account and your username. After filling out the form, you'll be given two options: submit an email request or start a live chat. Choose the live chat option for a quicker response. So that's basically how you can get back your Epic Games account if someone changed your password. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.